VELUX, the acknowledged leader in skylights and a major player in solar water heating systems, introduces its latest innovation. It will re-energize the skylight category. The name says it all. It's the VELUX No Leak Skylight. It's a product that builders, architects, remodelers, and consumers have been waiting for, with improved design and a groundbreaking 10-year installation warranty. Here is the No Leak Skylight. So why won't it leak?
It won't leak because we have 3 layers of protection. The first layer of protection is our deck seal. Our deck seal is a steel mounting system with an anti-corrosive coating that wraps all the way around the perimeter of the skylight with a durable foam seal like you see in this cutaway here. It actually seals the skylight to the roof deck.
And the second layer?
The second layer is our adhesive underlayment that attaches to the skylight frame. It's a pliable adhesive material that aggressively adheres to the underlayment, the roof deck, the deck seal, and the skylight frame.
What we see right here.
That's correct. We start by mounting it to the bottom of the skylight and wrapping it around the sides. Then we apply it to the side overlapping the bottom of the skylight. And lastly, we cap it at the top by applying it across the top onto the side so we have a watertight seal all the way around our skylight. The third layer is our pre-engineered flashing systems. This one you see here is specifically designed for our shingle applications. It's called our EDL flashing. It consists of 3 main components. The first component is a sill flashing, which pushes up to the bottom of the skylight and wraps around the corner. Okay. There are no exposed corners and we get a watertight joint in that area. The second component of the flashing is the step flashings. The step flashings are interwoven with the roofing material.
Okay, so what we see here.
That's correct.
Okay.
And we get a watertight connection all the way around the skylight so the water is forced down and away from the skylight.
And that's really what it's all about, rain coming down and away.
That's correct. And the most important component of the flashing kit, the saddle flashing, not only wraps around the side of the skylight, but up and over the top of the skylight. So all the water that penetrates around here is forced to go down and around the skylight.
And the 3 layers come together. This is really why you're able to offer the 10-year installation warranty.
That's correct. This by far is the most important layer to give the customer the confidence that our skylights will not leak.
I understand you've made installation foolproof.
We have. We started out by putting the mounting bracket, the deck seal, pre-installed in the factory. So pulling the skylight right out of the box, the mounting brackets are attached. There's no angle irons to put on or mounting brackets to bend around and fasten into place. It's already installed and ready to go.
So the installer doesn't have to fool around with brackets?
That's correct.
Okay, what else?
We've also made it easier for them to remove the counter flashing. We have to remove the counter flashing to get the adhesive underlayment and the step flashings into place. It's easily removed right out of the box by actually taking this U-shaped piece and pulling downward on it. And then you put it aside, install your flashing, and then to put it back in, you install it the same way, but you bend these tabs into the notch and lock it into place.
So it just interlocks into the saddle flashing?
That's correct.
Okay. What else?
What else is we include the underlayment in with the flashing kit. We know the importance of using it and we want the skylights to be wrapped, so we include it with every flashing kit used for the deck seal.
Bruce, during times like these, everybody's trying to save a little bit of money on their energy bill. So how does this technology help?
We have incorporated 3 main elements to help the customer save money. The first one is the glazing. We incorporated 3 layers of silver coating on the glass that allows in more light while reducing the solar heat gain, which is going to save the customer air conditioning cost.
Which is really special because you think more light, more heat.
Correct.
And that's not the case here.
That's correct. We've also incorporated warm edge technology, which is going to help keep the elements outside where they're supposed to be. It provides for a more energy efficient skylight, better insulation value. It's going to keep the hot air out in the summer and the cold air out in the winter.
Great.
The last thing we've done is we actually lowered the skylight profile, and along with the improved seal, we increased the energy efficiency of the skylight.
Now, when you say lower the profile, what do you mean?
The whole surface of the glass is lowered to the roof deck.
Well, that creates a great aesthetic too, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
It's not enough that the no-leak deck-mounted skylight will change the industry. VELUX has another first. We're providing a 10-year installation warranty even if we don't install the skylight. And it doesn't stop there. There's a 10-year warranty on the product, 20 years on the window glass, and a 5-year warranty covering blinds and controls. The goal is, as designers often put it, to bring the outside in, meaning fresh air and daylight into our interior spaces. It's only fitting that the name VELUX comes from 2 words, VE from ventilation and lux, the Latin word for light. We're proud that the VELUX tradition of quality and innovation will continue with the new No Leak Skylight.